Aaron, what I think is so interesting about this is you are watching where the money is getting placed, what people are actually betting will happen. What do you see so far?
Well, I think a lot of people they made good money on this run after Musk came out and said that he intends to close, or I should say, at least they remade money that they had lost if they were in the stock early. And so they're taking some money out off the table. Based on some conversations I had last week, I'd say that overall, the market thinks there's a sub 50% chance, or it's pricing a sub 50% chance that Musk actually closes by October 28th. And I think investors want to be positioned in case that actually is the case, and we head back to Delaware court for trial.
The arbitrage play has been what's been so interesting. We saw some big names, people like Carl Icahn, who had posted some really big bets and made a lot of money based on how far they've come back just since on Monday, since Elon said he was going to go ahead and close this. You think those people have gotten out of it at this point?
I think a lot of we'll call them arb tourist types, have gotten out of the name. I mean, they were in it for this outcome, for a settlement type outcome. And although it actually hasn't settled, price appreciation has given them an exit opportunity. At this point, there's still a long way to go before Musk actually does close the deal. And like I said, I think a lot of ARBs are skeptical that he actually intends to do so. And they're trying to figure out what his next play may be. It's not going to work, but they're trying to figure out what his next play may be. And even ARBs, I think, are positioning to make sure that they have some extra firepower in case Musk tries not to close the deal again.
What's an arb tourist? Somebody who wants to make money and make sure they actually make the money on the deal?
Arb tourists, not their core strategy to be invested in merger arbitrage situations, and they come in and play deals where there's a juicy return and there's good risk reward. I use that term endearingly.